Yo, first video ever on YouTube. This is Gav. I'm Henry. Started the YouTube channel. Alright, normally it wouldn't be raining, right, Gav?
But it's Florida.
But it's Florida. So situate yourself, get ready to go. Jack your car up. For me, I have an exhaust leak right there, where the stock exhaust connects to my aftermarket pipes and shit, so it's not even. And you can see it from right here, where the gasket is. Gasket maker, it's like cardboard with some metal stuff in between it. You buy this at AutoZone, it was 15 bucks to get this big ass piece, right? You're gonna get the gasket out of your car, put it on there, sketch it with a Sharpie. Then you can use whatever tools you have handy, but you're gonna need a drill for some holes. We're gonna use this to cut it out. You ready, Gavin?
Yup.
First step. Next step. Now you need a drill with the corresponding drill bit of your holes. Alright,
Not
next
the
step.
prettiest, but it will work.
Yep, next step, you get one of these big boys.
Get a whole saw.
Let's run it.
Milwaukee.
Make sure she's tight. Oh, this is the sketchy part. Wait, we need the clamp. Clamp it. You might need a clamp for this, depending on your setup at home. Since we have an abundance of material, this was for you guys on YouTube. Enjoy it. Look at this. Comes out beautiful. You can sand it if you want. We had a file and we sanded a couple, but she's beautiful. She works.
Mm-hmm.
Quick preview of the Honda. Home built Honda, baby.
V12, baby.
V12. No headlight.